Let's discuss a question from thermodynamics. We are given with the two groups. We have to match the following. So, work done. Well, work done is what kind of a function? It is a path function because work done depends on the process. Depends on the process, whether process is isothermal or it is isobaric. And if I'm drawing in a PV diagram, so it depends. The work done will be the area under the curve, and it depends on what path it follows. Area under the PV curve, it depends on what path it follows. Like if it is isobaric, the area under the curve will be more. If it is isothermal, the area will be like under this in the given volume range will be less. And then if it is isochoric, it is 0. So it all depends on the process. So it is a path function. Thermal equilibrium basically means equality of temperature, so that is 4. Internal energy is a point function because, like for example, the change from here to here, the change in internal energy depends on just the states u2 minus u1. It doesn't depend on the path, whether you have come in this way or you have gone from the isobaric and then isochoric. It doesn't depend. It's just always 2 minus 1. It's the change in the internal energy is always u2 minus u1. So difference in the state variables at point 2 and 1, u2 minus u1. So internal energy is, because internal energy can be described as some of all the microscopic forms of energy. Okay, so that is your internal energy. It is 1. So no work and heat interaction. Well, the leftover is isolated system, and so no work and heat. So an isolated system only is the one which doesn't have any heat interaction and it doesn't have any work interaction. So that is an isolated system. So going by this, P should be 2, Q should be 4, R should be 1, and S should be 3. So A is the option. Thank you.